Today, I'll be building a closet right in this spot. It's going to come out 32 inches from the wall, which is right here. Not sure if you can see that. And then it'll be between the wall to make up the doorway and closet edge is right here, from 28.5 inches to 32 inches. So I had to build this little wall to fill in the hole. And I have to extend this wall to about there. So I'm gonna take all this out and put in a new stud and put some more pressure treated right here. And then I have to make another doorway right here, just like I did right there. All right, this is my closet. Here's the closet. Took me a good portion of the day because I had to build it while it was up, which was more difficult because there's just not enough room in this space. So this is the top. This is 32 inches wide, so inside is 32 inches and inside is 81 inches tall. That matches up with all of the other doors for the bedrooms. There's some other doors in the house that are different, but I may have to actually rebuild those. So I don't know if you can see it here, but there's 3 2x4s right here. Now normally you don't need that, but I had to put 3 because I'm going to be removing this wall here with a beam, and that beam is going to be held up by this. So I put 3 to reinforce the beam, thinking ahead. This is old wall. This is where the new starts, and it just comes to this corner and goes over there. And lo and behold, there is a closet. So that closet is going to be 28 inches deep. I don't know how wide it is, I forget, but it's 28 inches deep, which should be, according to the internet, deep enough for coats. And that's what I was aiming for. So this is my first closet. Still have a few to go. But yeah. Oh, and this is 16 inch on center. So from this stud to here is 16 inches, to here is 16 inches. I did the exact same thing on the other wall, the other doorway right here. There it's 16 inches, and there it's 16 inches. So yeah, that is the closet. That's my weekend. I may work on the beam this weekend too. I don't know yet.